Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to add your profile details in your Remitly. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, open your Remitly application. And once you've opened, if you're not logged in, all you have to do is to log in. And you will see the same screen as I have right now. And to add your profile details, all you have to do is to tap on My Remitly on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen and you will head to the My Remitly category. And on here, the one we're looking for is the profile information. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the profile information. And as you can see, you can edit either your name, address, phone number, email address, and also your password. And it is just easy to edit or add information. All you have to do is to tap on the edit button on the right part of the section or the information that you'd like to add if you still haven't added them. Let's say, for example, I don't have a name here and I want to add one. All you have to do is to tap on edit. And once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen in which you will see two boxes for your first name and last name. Let's try and edit it. Let's just add two vowels. And once done, all you have to do is to tap on save. And once you've tapped on it, as you can see, the name that I've inputted when I tap on edit is the one showing right now. And by the way, the same process goes for the other categories such as address, phone number, email address, and password. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.